I'm Braden. I'm a beach manager at Palacio in Perdido Key.
I'm Michael Hall, and I'm the Walton County Manager of XL Beach Service.
My name is Sean Russell, and I'm the Chief of Operations for XL Beach Service.
My name is Chris Trafton, and I'm the owner of XL Beach Service. Well, I've been in the beach service industry for about 17 years. In 2008, I started working for a resort called Silver Shells. I realized at that point in time that this is something I wanted to do for the long haul. The thing that sets us apart, our job is to pour into our team.
Our job as leaders in the company is to pour into the young men and women who work with us. We have a leadership team that sincerely values our team. We know that if we do that, we're going to be fine on the beach.
We find that those individuals are going to pour into the guest more. So by caring for them, in turn, we get a better outcome with guest experience on the beach.
Our customers are going to get the best experience because our team is not only equipped to do the job well and efficiently, they feel genuinely cared for. They enjoy working for the company. They want to be down there. And so that produces a different attitude. The more valued that we feel working for a team, the better customer service we're going to give.
People can be hard to deal with sometimes on the beach. They're hot, they're sweaty, something went wrong. We have to be able to give them that top tier of service and still show a big heart in who we are as a company and who we are as people.
XL is going to provide better service because me, the guys I work with, the girls I work with, we love what we do, we love who we work for. So going to work every day, waking up at 4:30 in the morning and staying until 6 o'clock, doing 14 hours a day on the beach, it's nothing.
We focus on our team, and our team focuses on the guests and the owners.
The company has values, and then we take the Sean Russell of the team that's specifically there to take those values and to implement them into his leadership philosophy. That's easy for all these guys to digest and then take that and run with it.
You want people who love their job to be working your beach. In the dog days of summer when it's hot and you have 80 sets to carry, you want people who are going to enjoy doing that. If you're not poured into, it's very easy to hate the work. So you want people working your beach that love what they do, who are poured into by their bosses, by their owners. Because by doing that, I mean, you're going to just get better service.
So for anybody that wants to learn more about our company, the best way to do that would be to go to our website. We've got a lot of information about us, who we are.
Contact the properties that we service. We stand by our product, we stand by our service. XL has really changed their entire beach experience.
Come down to one of our beaches and meet one of our team, or just ask the community.
Just go onto the beach and talk to one of the beach attendants at any single beach. They're all going to tell you the exact same thing I've told you.